इतले मजगती काय राजकारणी चर्चीक इन्कम टॅक्साच्यो नोटीशी धाडल्यात म्हूण सांगून धर्माच्या आदारान राजकारण करतात ते चुकीचे. देशातल्या कांय देवळांकय नोटीशी आयल्यात म्हूण निलेश काब्रालान पुराय प्रकाराचेर स्पश्टीकरण दिलां.
Every cash form amount, a notice which is here in माझ्या हातीन आसा, ती पिलोडिका आसा. Similar notice has been gone there की whatever 500 and 1000 rupee notes what you have, तुम्ही सांगा म्हण. So I don't see what is wrong with this. It is not to penalize any church. आता गोंयान बाकीचे जे इन्स्टिट्यूशन आसा, दे आर स्मॉल इन्स्टिट्यूशन, जशें आमचे महालक्ष्मी टेम्पल जालें वा खंयचे टेम्पल ओ आमचे सगळे टेम्पल जे आसा, दे आर स्मॉल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स एंड दे डोंट कंबायन विथ अदर टेम्पल्स एंड फॉर्म अ इन्स्टिट्यूशन. आणि ही सगळी इन्स्टिट्यूशन दे कम अंडर द प्रिव्यू ऑफ द कलेक्टर, दे कम अंडर द महाजन ॲक्ट वॉट इज ऑफ 1960 म्हणजे पोर्चुगीज ॲक्ट जो आसा. आणि थंय गव्हर्मेंट टेक्स केअर ऑफ दीस अकाउंट्स. Like Tirupati also is run by Andhra Pradesh government. The collector is supervising Tirupati. But there are other devasthans where also who have received notices in India, like the Bhagwati temple in Kotayanara. Notice issued to Budh Gaya temple in Madhubari temple. But the impression other they create केले आसा and it is given for a church. It is a normal IT act which normally is gone a circular. Like I told you one. There are so many with me where in Goa, other than the temples, they have all people have got. Is to खंय तरी पयशे कल्ले करता ते बँकान डिपॉझिट करा आणि कितले तुमचे कडेन आसा ते सांगा. सो वॉट इज रॉंग विथ दिस? आणि म्हाका खबर आसा चर्च एज फार एज आय नो चर्च डज नॉट टेक एनी मनी. इट इज ऑल डोनेशन. सो वॉट इज रॉंग इन चर्च टू डिक्लेअर वॉट इज दॅट? आज जे ते क्रिएट करता थोडे आमचे आमदार पडिल्ले आमदार आणि आतांचे आमदार ते नाका असले दिशाभूल करपाचो एक सेंटन्स वापरता ही इगर्जीक धाडले. पण आज तुमकां दिसता हें क्लॅरिफिकेशन दाखयल्लें आसा. म्हाका दिसता तुमी मातशें पळोवपाक जाय दॅट दीस इज नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द चर्च बट इज फॉर एवरीबडी. आणि आय एम व्हेरी थँकफूल टू द चर्च दॅट दे हॅव complied and given within the time frame all whatever is required by the IT department. This is the story of the church, that the church functions legally and हे पळय दाखोवपाक सोदता डिसेबल करूंक सोदता. इट इज नॉट ऑन दॅट ग्राउंड लायन्स.
इन्कम टॅक्स तज्ञ आर.के. पिकले आयटीच्या नोटिसींचेर उलयलो.
There are the fund boxes. Please display on the fund box that the 500 rupee notes and 1000 rupee notes are no longer legal tender. Kindly do not deposit any money in the box. As soon as the banks are free, that was last Sunday, I told them either you call Mamlatdar. In Goa, under the Mahajanis Act, temples are administered by the Mamlatdar. Mamlatdar is the author. Mamlatdar or his representative should be called, or a bank manager with whom you are banking, you should be called. And when you open the fund box, a panchanama has to be drawn. And in the panchanama, you must mention how many denominations are there. 500 rupees, 1000 rupees and other. This exercise should also be done either on 29th or 30th morning, depending upon the convenience of the bank. So that this is to prove that any religious institution is not used as a conduit for legalizing because as I have told you, these religious institutions income is exempt from income tax provided you fulfill those conditions. So this is the only idea of the department and nothing else.
Bureau Report, Prudent.